Hi everyone, I'm just here doing my reflection for our uh, module on internet safety. One of the first question is talking about what's our role as an educator in internet safety, and I think we do need a little bit of a role. I know once I get older, if especially if you're a high school teacher, you will have them on the internet, researching and doing other things. I know a lot of our school, there's some of our teachers in our district that are actually going completely online, so all their stuff is online. They're always on computers. So I think it is somewhat our responsibility to teach these kids, hey, make sure you're going to the right websites. Don't be doing other things you shouldn't be doing. Make sure you're clicking on the right things, going to the right things, not downloading things you shouldn't, type of deal. And make sure you're not buying things from like websites you're not supposed to get on. So I think we can play a role in that. I don't know if we could really teach that, but I know that some of our students will be able to do those things. But I think it's something that we can teach and try to explain and try to do and help them anyways. The next question dealt with the NetSmart, the website. I thought it was kind of neat. I played around with it some, and I thought it was kind of interesting to go through and do. The citizen training program, I didn't. There's some things that were really good, and I thought that could be useful, and there's others that I didn't really like. Um, I think it could be helpful. I just think it was a little too much, too much for me. I'm more one of those people that's clear point to the clear cut and to the point. So I like it just simple. Don't make it complicated. Don't make it extreme type of deal. But that's a me thing. Um, the last thing we need to talk about is the article about youth safety. I thought they had some really good points about making sure that we keep our kids safe and making sure that they're going to good stuff. Um, I think that we can always be safe, no matter if it's internet, cell phones, um, TV, everything else. I think that there's a lot of things out there that our kids don't need to see. And I think we just need to make sure that we are doing things right and teaching them right. And it might not just be your own personal children, but maybe your classroom children as well. Um, I think that there's a lot of bad things out there that they might get themselves into and not really mean to, but I think it's something you really need to pay attention to. I know you can't be there all the time and every day and all that stuff, but I do think it's something that we should teach them and tell them that that's what's happening. So, but anyways, that's my dog goes through here. I hope you guys like my reflection. I hope you guys all went through your reflection well too. If not, I'll see you guys all later.